Hello everyone, myself Manishankar Tiwari. I am from Nainital. I am a student of BAMS 2021 batch in Major SD Singh PG Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital. First of all, I would like to thank my parents for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to study in such a prestigious college of UP, that is our college. In our college, the focus is not only on the academics, but the focus is on the overall developments of the students, as the sports week is organized each year for the refreshment and the enjoyment of the students. As I am a badminton player, so college management also provides me the facility for my practice in the indoor badminton stadium. The practicals of each subjects are conducted in very wonderful way, so that we can also learn the practicals with the theory. In our college, dissection is performed very nicely in the guidance of very highly experienced teachers. There is one cadaver for every 15 students of our batch, and we can learn from the basic to the very higher levels that will help in our practice. From my side, this college is highly recommended for the students who want to pursue their career in the Ayurveda field. Thank you.